Hello everyone, welcome to the second MCQ video on digital electronics. So let us get started. In binary, 1 kilobits are equal to 1000 bits, 1024 bits, 1012 bits, 1008 bits. And here you go. And the answer is 1024 bits. In binary, 1 kilobits is equal to 1024 bits. In digital systems, a nibble is equal to dash bit or bits 1, 2, 4, 8. And here you go. And the answer is 4. So in binary we have only zeros and ones, and a combination of 4 bits are called the nibble, and combination of 8 bits is called the byte, and that of 16 bits is called the word. If j equal to k in a JK flip-flop, we will have a SR flip-flop, shortened JK flip-flop, T flip-flop, K flip-flop. And here you go. And the answer is T flip-flop. So T flip-flop is obtained by making J is equal to K in a JK flip-flop, or by short circuiting J and K terminals of JK flip-flop, and it toggles its output when 1 is provided as the input, otherwise output does not change. In digital systems, 1 byte is equal to dash bits 1, 2, 4, 8. And here you go. Yes, you must be able to answer this, as we have already discussed. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Which logic family provide minimum power dissipation? TTL, CMOS, ECL, RTL. And here you go. And the answer is CMOS. That is, the complementary metal oxide semiconductor technology provides less density as well as the less power consumption, because it does not consume any power in the off state, which is exception from other transistor devices. Boolean algebra is also known as gate algebra, transistor algebra, switching algebra, counting algebra. And here you go. And the answer is switching algebra. Boolean algebra is also called as switching algebra because it mainly operates based on two states, the on state or off state, that is 1 or 0. In a T flip-flop, number of input to the circuit is 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you go. And the answer is 1. So as we have already discussed, T flip-flop is obtained by connecting J and K terminals of a JK flip-flop. So it has only one input, which is called the toggle input, and it produces a toggle when we provide 1 as the input and no change when we will give 0 as the input. A Boolean function can be transformed into logical, graph, map, diagram, matrix. And here you go. And the answer is diagram. A logical diagram can be constructed from a Boolean functional representation of input and output in terms of different variables. And the logical diagram is constructed by using the logical gates. The Boolean algebra is mostly based on Boolean theorem, De Morgan's theorem, De Morgan's theorem, Parseval's theorem. And here you go. And the answer is De Morgan's theorem. So basically De Morgan's theorem or De Morgan's principle is the base of Boolean algebra, which is AB whole complement is equal to A complement plus B complement, and A plus B whole complement is equal to A complement dot B complement. In the Boolean algebra, a variable can take dash different states or value 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you go. And the answer is 2. As you already know, Boolean algebra is based on binary number system and which has only two states, 0 or 1. So Boolean algebra variable can take only two states. In Boolean algebra, a dot a is equal to a square, 0, 1. And here you go. And the answer is A. So in Boolean algebra, dot operation is AND operation. So the output will be a 1 when a is equal to 1 and output will be a 0 when a equal to 0. So obviously a dot a is equal to a. AND operation is equivalent to division, union, intersection, both B and C. And here you go. And the answer is intersection. So consider a case A dot B or A and B which gives intersection of A over B. It results in 1 if and only if all the inputs are 1, that is both A and B are 1. So AND operation is equivalent to intersection. OR operation is equivalent to division, union, intersection, both B and C. And here you go. And the answer is union. The logical OR operation of two variables A or B is also equivalent to A union B. It results in 1 if at least one of the inputs A or B is 1. A plus A dot B equal to A, B, A plus B, 1. And here you go. And the answer is A, because you can take out A from the expression as common, then you will get it as A into 1 plus B. Now 1 plus B is equal to 1, then it will come as A dot 1, which is equal to A. LSI stands for large simple integration, large scale integration, large symbol inverter, large scale inverter. And here you go. LSI stands for large scale integration. We also have small scale integration, medium scale integration, large scale integration, and very large scale integration, which is the VLSI. Complement of NOR and OR gate is dash and dash respectively. And NAND, NAND and OR NOR, NOR OR. And here you go. And the answer is O, NOR. So if you complement NOR, you will get an OR gate, and if you complement OR, you will obtain a NOR gate. A plus A complement equal to A complement 0, 1. And here you go. And the answer is a 1. Because if A is a 0, A complement is a 1. And if A is a 1, A complement is a 0. So always there is a 1 in the expression and it is getting odd. So the result will be always 1. A dot A complement equal to A complement 0, 1. And here you go. And the answer is 0 because at least one of the element is a 0. So the AND operation will result in a 0. Hexadecimal equivalent of a binary number 1111000011110000 is 1010 F0F0 7070 5050. And here you go. And the answer is F0 F0. So when we are converting a binary number into hexadecimal number, we will have to form groups of 4 and then convert that group into the hexadecimal equivalent. So in hexadecimal equivalent, 000 means a 0 and 4 ones as a group means F. So the answer will be F0 F0. Maximum number in decimal that can be represented by 4 bits in binary is 4, 7, 15, 16. And here you go. And the answer is 15. So the maximum number that can be represented by using n bits is 2 raised to n minus 1. So here n is 4, so it will come as 2 raised to 4 minus 1, which is 16 minus 1 equal to 15. Also you can take it by using this position values. You have 4 bits, so if you sum all this, you will get it as 8 plus 12, 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. So the maximum number in decimal that can be represented by 4 bits is only 15. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.